Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And so I'm back today with some products that are actually coming to Ulta, and so I thought I'd go ahead and show you, and I have them on today. So we'll go ahead and get started with what I have on. And today I went ahead and used the e.l.f. Rose Gold and the Essence Drop of Sunshine. And I went ahead and used these as my primer, as my base today. And then I went ahead and used one of the products that's going to be over at Ulta for my base, and that's a Tir Tir foundation. Let's see, I have mine in Cool Ivory, and that's shade 21C. With these, they're actually a cushion foundation, so they give you the puff, and then you have this on the inside as far as a cushion that's filled with foundation. You just press and go ahead and apply all over. I've really liked this foundation. I found that it lasts a really long time, and the coverage, well, people have said the coverage is insane with the Tir Tir foundation, and I've just always really appreciated it. So this is coming to Ulta along with some other products from Tir Tir, and so we'll be seeing them really soon, and I can't wait. I also have on the NYX Bear with me as far as my concealer here. As far as what I did for the bronzer, I'm actually using the other company that's coming into Ulta, and I have the Colourcase. This is by Mitchell, and it's the Made by Mitchell line. This is the light one, and today I do have this one on as a bronzer, and then a little bit of this on as a bronzer. So that's what I have on as far as the Made by Mitchell. And like I said, this is coming over to Ulta too. And so he does a lot of cream and liquid products. And the other product that I have that's Made by Mitchell is another cream product. It's the Colourcase. And with this one, these are all cream shadows, and you can use them by themselves, or you can go ahead and mix colors from what you have here. And then these are all mattes, so you put it on like a matte, and then you put your favorite shimmer over the top, or you just leave it like a matte. And so these ones, again, I've had nothing but good luck with both the Made by Mitchell and also the Tir Tir. And these are the two companies that are coming into Ulta really soon. So I thought I'd go ahead and do a video with both of these on. So again, I do have the bronzer and the contour on from the Colourcase, and I have my Colourcase in light. And then as far as what I did for my highlighter today, actually for my blush and highlighter, I used, I love it. And this is one of the pearlized blushes from Colourpop. And then I used a Moira. This is the Foxy Pink highlighter, and I went ahead and used that on top. So I do have these two on as my blush highlighter my blush highlighter today. And then as far as lips, I went ahead and got out my color by BPure, and these you can get over at Dollar Store. So I have the pink lipstick on today, and then I did go ahead and put some of the e.l.f. lip gloss over the top of it. So that's how that turned out. As far as what I did for the eyes today, went ahead and used the NOMAD American Parks. And this is one of the eyeshadow palettes that NOMAD redid for their 10th anniversary. These are available on the NOMAD site. And so they do have their new formula, which has a lot of glitter in it, and it's very, very sparkly. And today I used this on the crease, this on the outer corner, put some of this on the lid, then I put some of this yellow right on top of the green, and I put a little bit of this going right under or right under the eyebrow there. So I went for as much shimmer and sparkle as I could get. And this is the way the look turned out. But the colors are really pigmented, and the eyeshadow, the really sparkly and multi-chrome and really pretty. And then as far as Morphe, I did go ahead and use the Morphe Cloudlight in Sunrise. Yeah, this one is Sunrise. So I went ahead and used this for finishing powder, mixed in a little bit of the, Sungasm by Catrice as well. And yeah, that's about what I have on my face today. Like I said, I'm just really, really excited to find out that both Made by Mitchell and Tir Tir are going to be in Ulta. Tir Tir is, I believe it's a Korean brand. I'm pretty sure it's a Korean brand. And then Made by Mitchell, they're out of the UK. You can get these on Beauty Bay, but it'll be so much more convenient to be able to get these in Ulta. And so congratulations, and I can't wait to go ahead and get some of their products. And let's see, Tir Tir just has a really good reputation as far as the skincare companies, so I want to go ahead and try out some of their products in that way. And with the Made by Mitchell, they do the Bluish, and I don't have any to show you here, but those are going to be their liquid blushes, and so I can't wait to get a hold of some of those. So that's the video, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.